Corset for the blue fighter.
So it's an even match. So far, the first round was for the blue. Am I right?
First round was for the red. Second, na-distract ako. Second round was for the blue. Yun, so even ang match natin ngayon.
That's right. An evenly skilled fighter so far. And I can see the game plan of both. Alam po nila kung ano ginagawa nila at alam rin po, especially the way it's being treated in terms of kung paano nila pinapace at yung position po nila. Very distinct.
Round 3!
And a scream from our ring announcer, letting each and every one know
Nice.
that it's the third round.
It's a half Superman punch.
Jaguar Tang.
Nice takedown.
A double leg tackle. That's actually a tackle. Nicely done. Jaguar Tang. Jaguar Tang po ang naka-black at pula at naka-blue na headgear. Siya po ay nagagaling sa Team Coke Zero.
Okay, so ngayon lumalamang si Jaguar Tang, no?
Just like the second round.
Yeah, continuing his yung streak niya mula sa second round.
But you have to understand, RJ, kanina si Mickey Ablan lumaban rin.
Oh yeah.
For our tryout fights. Kaya mahalataan nyo may fatigue factor.
Hindi.
Oh, it wasn't him. Okay, I'm sorry. I was a little
the
mistake.
first round, ang ganda nung laban ni Mickey.
Oh, first round, he was already exploding.
Yeah, so I think baka napagod si Mickey ng first round. And ngayon, itong si Jaguar, talagang lumalamang for the third round.
Okay, now you can see Jaguar is just pounding on Mickey.
Yeah, Mickey's just trying to hang on to Jaguar. So.
But then again, he's answering some shots. I don't know how damaging that could be, but that can shake you a bit. But then again, if not all of the time, mga kaibigan, ang taong nasa ibabaw ang parating superior because he can just pound you. Ang kailangan gawin ngayon ni Jaguar is to create space for an armbar, a possible armbar, softening up.
Mickey's trying to defend the armbar.
We got a little swastika going on, the proper execution of an armbar. Very tight ang armbar niya, pero naghihintay siya ng tama. And ladies and gentlemen, this is a fight to the wow! A very good
pasok na yun, pero ang galing.
Counter neutral. Pasok na yung armbar niya, napakalinis, nakatakas pa si Mickey.
And now he has the dominant position.
Cheers to Barangay Ginebra. We can see Mickey Ablan.
Do or die talaga ang Barangay Ginebra.
Capitalizing on his position right now, but then again, it would be much better if he can get rid of that leg. But then again, a lot of times we see a lot of ground and pound.
Oh, last 30 seconds for round number 3. 30 seconds. It's a close fight, Manny. Daming reversal. Si Mickey kanina muntik na masubmit. Na-reverse niya. I think it's going down the wire. Kung sinong madaming magagawa at the last few seconds. Mickey is trying to rain down blows. Naubos ang oras. Tinatry niya. Nice. A lot of unanswered blows.
Alam mo, at this point, RJ, ang problema dito, pwede siyang ma-fatigue.
Yun na.
Ito na ang pagkakataon niyang magpahinga.
End of the match. That was round number 3. That's the final round. Goes to the judges' scorecards.
You know, kuya, analyze mo yung fight, RJ. Parang surgical eh.
Oo.
Sinadya niya maging dominant in the second round, but in the third round, he was waiting for that right time to explode.
Oo, talagang hinintay niya yung timing.
Judge number 1. Scores it for the blue fighter. Judge number 2. Scores it for the red fighter. Judge number 3. Scores it for the red fighter.
And the winner,
split decision.
By split decision is Mickey Ablan from Barangay Ginebra.
Tell me exactly what am I supposed to do now that I have
Congratulations, Mickey Ablan of Barangay